2025, a 22-year-old college dropout made $2.3 million. No employees, no office, no investors, no pitch deck. Just a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and a handful of AI tools most people have never even heard of. And here's the part that should genuinely bother you. He was working 4 hours a day. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds fake. That sounds like a course ad. That sounds like something a guy in a rented Lamborghini tells you before asking for $997. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you isn't a hack. It isn't a loophole. It's a legitimate business model that is quietly making a small group of people very, very wealthy, while the rest of the world is still commuting to a job that could be automated by Tuesday. My name is David. I run FilterBuy, an air filter company doing $22 million a month. I've built businesses from scratch. I've invested in dozens more, and I'm telling you right now, the AI business model is the single biggest wealth creation opportunity I've seen in my lifetime. Let me show you exactly how it works. Here's something that would have sounded insane 5 years ago. You no longer need a team to build a company. For most of human history, if you wanted to build something real, something that made real money, you needed people. Developers, marketers, customer service reps, accountants, writers, designers. You needed a staff, and staff meant payroll. Payroll meant overhead. Overhead meant you needed revenue to survive before you made a single dollar of actual profit. That was the game, and for most people, it was the reason they never started. AI just deleted that barrier entirely. Today, one person with the right AI stack can do the work of a 10-person team, not eventually, right now. In 2025, the tools exist to automate your marketing, content, customer support, sales outreach, and bookkeeping, almost your entire operation. The question isn't whether this is possible. The question is, what business do you build around it? Let me give you the 4 models I'd personally build if I were starting from zero today. Model number 1, AI content agency. Here's a fact that should make every marketing agency nervous. Businesses spent $600 billion on marketing last year, and the vast majority of that went toward content, blog posts, social media, emails, video scripts, and ad copy. Most of it is being written by teams of people getting paid by the hour. Your opportunity? Build an agency that delivers the same output faster and cheaper using AI. This is not theoretical. There are solo operators right now charging businesses $3,000 to $10,000 a month for content packages, blog posts, email sequences, social content calendars. All were generated and refined using tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and Jasper, then lightly edited and packaged by one person. The math is stupid simple. 5 clients at $5,000 a month. That's $25,000 a month. $300,000 a year. One person. 0 employees. Start with one local business you already have a relationship with. Deliver extraordinary results. Use that as a case study. Then scale. Model number 2, AI automation consulting. Every small business in America is drowning in repetitive tasks. Answering the same customer emails, scheduling appointments, following up on invoices, updating spreadsheets, moving data from one place to another. It's not complicated work, but it eats hours every single day. You come in, you identify the 3 biggest time wasters in their business, and you build an AI-powered workflow that eliminates them. Using tools like Zapier, Make, and custom GPTs, none of which require a computer science degree to operate. Businesses will pay $2,000 to $15,000 for a single automation build. And once it's built, it runs forever. That's your recurring value. That's why clients stay. The 22-year-old I mentioned at the start, this was his model. He didn't build an app. He didn't raise money. He learned automation tools over one weekend, landed his first client through a cold LinkedIn message, and built from there. 2 years later, $2.3 million in revenue alone. Model number 3, AI SaaS. This one is for people willing to go slightly deeper, but the upside is enormous. Software used to require developers, teams of them, years of build time, millions in funding. Tools like Cursor, Replit, and Bubble have changed that completely. Today, someone with 0 coding background can build a functional software product using AI in weeks, not years. The play here is micro SaaS, not trying to build the next Salesforce, building a tiny, specific tool that solves one very specific problem for one very specific type of business. A scheduling tool just for tattoo artists, an invoice generator just for freelance photographers, a client onboarding system just for fitness coaches. Charge $49 a month, get 500 customers. That's $25,000 a month in pure recurring revenue, and the AI runs the product. You just run the business. Model number 4, AI-powered digital products. The simplest model of the 4, and the one with the lowest barrier to entry. Templates, prompts, frameworks, systems. People are desperately searching for ways to use AI effectively in their work, and most of them don't have time to figure it out themselves. You figure it out, you package it, you sell it. Copilot, a library of 500 ChatGPT prompts for real estate agents, sold on Gumroad for $47. An AI writing system for lawyers, $199. A complete AI business toolkit for coaches, $397. One creator built a prompt pack over a single weekend, posted it on Twitter, and made $80,000 in 30 days. 0 employees, 0 overhead, 0 inventory, just knowledge, packaged and sold. Now here's the part most people skip over. Building the business is one thing. Running it in 4 hours a day is the real skill, and it comes down to 3 non-negotiables. Rule number 1, automate your customer touchpoints. The biggest time killer in any service business is communication. Answering questions, sending updates, following up, onboarding new clients. Every single one of those touchpoints can be automated with AI. Custom GPT assistants that answer client questions 24/7. Automated onboarding sequences that walk new customers through your process without you lifting a finger. AI-generated progress reports are sent on a schedule. Your clients feel taken care of. You're not even awake. That's the goal. Rule number 2, productize everything. The fastest way to stay stuck working 12-hour days, even with AI, is to keep treating every client like a custom project. Stop customizing. Start productizing. Package your service into clearly defined tiers. Tier 1, this deliverable, this timeline, this price. Tier 2, this deliverable, this timeline, this price. Every client picks a package. Every package has a system behind it. When your offer is productized, AI can fulfill most of it automatically. When every client is custom, you're doing it manually every time. Productize early. It's the difference between a business and a job. Rule number 3, track one number. Most entrepreneurs drown in data. Open rates, conversion rates, churn rates, engagement rates, profit margins, traffic numbers. The list never ends. Pick one number that determines whether your week was good or bad. For a content agency, the monthly recurring revenue. For a SaaS, active subscribers. For digital products, weekly sales. Everything else is noise. One number keeps you focused. Focus is what keeps the business moving forward in 4 hours a day instead of 14. Let me be honest with you about something. None of this is effortless. The 4-hour work week isn't about being lazy. It's about being surgical. It's about spending your 4 hours on the things only you can do. Building relationships, finding clients, making key decisions, and letting AI handle everything else. The people winning right now aren't the ones working harder. They're the ones who figured out which 4 hours actually matter. Think about what we covered today. A cop turned $2,100 into $8 million a year. One ATM at a time. A hockey player turned trash collection into a $4 billion empire. And a 22-year-old with a laptop turned AI automation skills into $2.3 million before his friends finished their degrees. None of them had a secret. None of them had a head start. They just picked a model, built a system, and refused to stop. The AI era isn't coming. It's already here. The only question left is whether you're going to build something in it or watch someone else do it instead. That's the game. And now you know how to play it. Part 2 is coming. We're going deeper. The exact AI tools, the exact workflows, and the exact client acquisition system that gets you to your first $10,000 month. Subscribe and don't be late.